Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper Quick Tips. I'm your host Tim. Here's the tip for today. Well, this tip is about keeping yourself organized. What I have is a little rack that I built and to help keep the pipes organized. The bottom is just a piece of 2x4 that I ripped down the middle, bore some holes, and had a 1/2 inch dowel rod laying around. So I cut that up and put down into each hole. And instead of trying to find some place to set your pipe while stain is drying or whatever else you're doing to it, this helps you really stay organized. Um, I've got a finishing nail that just a regular 3 millimeter bore or 4, either one, and that'll slide right on there, and that really helps to keep everything together. Sometimes before I built this little rack, I would look around and try to figure out what did I do with that stem. So it's really been handy. Now this last one is a 9 millimeter, and they don't really like the finishing nail too well. So purchased a few 9 millimeter adapters and just slide that in, and that's got the 3 millimeter, and now it will slide right on there and be happy about it. But I've found this rack to be just extremely helpful, and I hope you found this tip for today to be helpful as well. And thank you for watching, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.